What's up, everybody? It's Monster Core Racing. I'm Johnny Hardcore. That's me right there. What's going on? Just want to show you a little bit of what's going on today. It's pouring rain outside, so it's a washout. No RCs today. Almost got a full path to walk by the arcades. Just got to get that piece of DJ equipment underneath one of the games, and then it's buried for a little while. Got a little clutter out of the way. Got some more room to put more stuff away. Gonna get more stuff thrown away. And that's our logo. So if you want to keep in touch with us and see what we do next, definitely subscribe to our channel. That's Monster Core Arcade. Monster and a core with a K. And arcade with a K. But this is Monster Core Racing. Wrong one. So this is what we do for the Monster Core Arcade. You can see we have some unopened trucks and the Ultimate Warrior. USA 1, Barefoot, Excalibur's back there. Sorry, I'm going so fast. Excalibur. Jax calls that truck Wheel Well. There's Lucas Oil Crusader. He calls it Wheel Well because of the song We Will Rock You. So that's how my son thinks. And the cat wants to go in the basement. No, you can't. Sorry, Max D Cat. So Jax is doing a show. Like I said, I'll show you the rain outside. Pouring rain, so nothing happening today. Bunnies are taking a nice bath. Cats want to go outside and play, right? Mm-hmm. Does he want to go out? Not really. He's like, no way, man. What are you, nuts? Alright, so I'm just gonna put on. I'm gonna put the camera on and let Jack show you what we are doing today. Grandma took out the Thunder Roarers play set. And we don't keep it there. We take it apart. But she walked through, and I don't know what happened. So I wasn't home. But that is Thunder Roarers play set. Jonathan didn't put them exactly to the wall, but it's all right. It's no big deal. So today, with blue tape on the fish tank, which is fine because it's only painter's tape. Several bins of monster trucks, and we're separating them into three companies, I would say, of truck. Not companies. What would you call them? One is Monster Jam, which is obviously a company, but I guess promotion. You can call it like that. 3 promotions. So one is Monster Jam.
One is Hot Wheels. And one is the Appendix.
Yeah, tell us who these guys are. So this one is who? These are all what kind of trucks?
The van.
I don't know if he's I don't think he's Monster Jam, dude. I think he's old school. He's probably gonna be an independent truck from the old school. So you have to put him with the you have to tell everybody who they are. Go ahead, tell them. So we got. You said who are these guys again?
Monster Jam.
Okay, these are all Monster Jam. So we're gonna go through it.
Thunder Roarers.
Can't introduce them.
Goldberg.
It's actually Tom Mintz. We don't have Goldberg. We don't have Tom Mintz.
And Bounty Hunter. Whiplash.
What?
Yellow.
What?
Excalibur.
What's this girl's name? Meh. Tabby's favorite truck. Pink Deuce. What Deuce? Medusa. You forgot. What's the guy's name? It's Daddy's favorite old school truck.
Excalibur.
Right.
Pouncer.
Nope. You don't know who that guy is either? Oh my god, Jax.
Brutus.
Yeah, man. See what happens? You don't play monster trucks all the time? That's Saigon Shaker's dad. Who's that?
Bentley Travels Fast.
Nope.
Backdraft.
Yep.
Backwards Bob. Avenger.
Old school Avenger truck.
And
Vanessa's favorite truck.
It's
the guy that does the backflips all the time. He's always the guy that drives his truck. But now he drives Black
Alien
Panther.
Invasion.
don't know if he actually
Soldier
does
Fortune, Blue
maybe.
Thunder, Megabyte, Scooby Dooby Doo, Son of a Digger, Husky.
I think it's Will he take it? Let's see what this guy's name is. I don't even know what this guy's name is. The Recycler? Crush Cycle. Crush Cycle. Like recycle, crush cycle. Okay, that's cool. All right, so those are all the Monster Jam trucks so far that we put up there. Didn't really finish doing this setup yet. But now wait, Jax, before you do anything else, you have to introduce the other trucks. See, now you have trucks over here that go to Monster Jam.
Oh.
Do you want to just go? You want to just do the video yourself, and you want to just like make it happen? Did it fall? No, it's gonna. Jax is gonna break. You can't. It's stuck in. You can just wiggle it a little bit. You got the dirt crew right there. We still have more dirt crew guys that are over here. There's the plower truck, the snow plow truck. Whatever that guy's name is.
I'm gonna see if we can go on there and maybe.
Jax, you gotta finish your burger.
Is this one of my?
All right, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let the video go on Jax, and this is gonna be in the world of Jax.
Hey!
How Jax plays. And he misses Noelle. You can say hello to Noelle because Noelle's always watching Monster Core and Monster Core Arcade and Monster Core Racing, which is this channel. Before I said Monster Core Arcade, it's Monster Core Racing. I'll put it in the tripod. And now it's gonna be all up to Jax to tell us what's going on.
So what's going on is we're doing all the Monster Jam shows. The only one that we know is whose phone is that?
My old phones. That means it's 3:16. So everybody that's watching this video at this time, you're blessed. Just because it's 3:16, even though it's not 3:16 and you're where you are, it's still 3:16 in this video. So every time anybody watches this video
Guys,
and they watch it to this part,
we're
you are getting an extra blessing of monster trucks, baby.
We're doing all monster trucks. And here's Creamsicle, but Monster Jam, Independent, Hot Wheels, and another Monster Jam.
Well, you said one is two Monster Jams you got?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. So if anybody's interested in how many trucks we have altogether,
We almost have more.
way over 1,000. But the little guys, I can't remember the exact count of the little ones, the 1/64 scales.
These,
Can't
we
remember
have
exactly,
the big
but
ones. We have a lot of big ones, right?
we're over 1,000. Yeah, we have the 1/24 scales. So those we have about 400, I think, 300, 400. I can't
Or
remember, man.
600.
We are collectors for sure. We collect everything.
There could be
Not everything. We collect things that we like. We like monster trucks. We like pinball and arcade games, which I collect, but it's also a little bit of a business. We also collect RCs.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of RCs because these kids love to bash.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
practicing to be monster truck drivers.
I even saw a video of we used to have Bigfoot as RC.
That's our arcade YouTube channel we're watching and studying and editing. So we watch our videos too and we post them and we learn as we go.
So there's something hard we're trying to find. USA 1 and Barefoot.
Right. And also, what about the new one? The one that we're trying to find. The yellow one with the white top. What's that guy's name?
Recreation.
Recreation, right. That's the new truck from Tom Fullery, who's Jester's company. That's the guy Jester drives from in
And
Kraken.
he's driving.
Well, Jester's driving, yeah. Jester's doing his thing.
And Recreation even
Since 2016, I
driving
think.
too.
Right.
Well, make sure if you go, so make sure to go to see if Recreation's doing good.
Exactly. What shirt are you wearing?
Don,
What pants are you wearing?
gray Gravedigger.
Where's your shirt for Gravedigger? Where's the racing shirt?
I don't know.
It's lost. Where's it lost?
At my grandma's house.
Yep. Like Max D Playwear and Mohawk Warriors all there too. Because I didn't take it off before you left. Alright, so anyway, you're going to show everybody what you want to do. You can even put on Steel Titans right now if you want. You can play Steel Titans for them. You can show them how you game. It's up to you what you want to do. Are you gonna play Fortnite or are you gonna play Monster Trucks? Because you're playing Fortnite, then I have to pause the video until you play Monster Trucks. Because this is only Monster Trucks. This is only a racing channel. This has to do with everything to do with racing. Oh, he's going for it. All right, so he's gonna take a little break from playing, and he's gonna playing physically, and he's gonna play on the television, on the telly, like Peppa Pig says. Well, no, Daddy Pig says, right? On the telly. So we used to love to watch.
I'm only in Northern Nightmare right now.
Yeah, you know what? Northern Nightmare came back.
He's back?
Yeah. I forget Scott who's driving him. I just heard it too. On media. Hold on, everybody. If this is a little crooked. Give me a second. I'll zoom in too so you can see Jack's whale on Steel Titans. All right, this has to go up. Put it up a little bit higher than this.
I'm gonna do every. Oh, I know it's over there. Can you ladder it?
Yep. I like how he says make it louder. Louder it. That's awesome. I'll give it to you. I'll adjust the video one more time. I wonder if you're allowed to use the music. You know what? I'm gonna make it a little. You know what? Actually, give me the remote control because I can make the settings and don't hear any music, so we don't get copyrighted. Yeah, no, that's El Toro.
You know, I'm out to look of black instead.
Nope. Again with the music. I gotta make it low. Our turtle's trying to climb out of the tank. I don't know if that's gonna work out too well with the music. I think when it goes to like a place like this, it does. We'll see what happens. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be copyrighted. All right, anyway, I'm not gonna keep talking. Everybody enjoy Jack's playing Steel Titans. This is Steel Titans 1 or 2, Jax?
1.
Steel Titans 1.
Make sure to play Steel Titans 1, and always trying to unlock monster trucks. That's what we're trying to do. Me and Dad.
Yeah. Even though we did this already a long time ago with the disc, but the disc got ruined,
Yeah.
and then we have the Xbox,
What's from me?
the new Xbox, whatever it is,
Which
Xbox
I did.
One S
I
or One X.
ruined it.
Yeah, Jax might have ruined it a couple times because he took the discs out and then put them back in the plastic. So if you do that to
Yeah, I just
a disc,
scratched
it'll get
it.
ruined.
That's okay.
well, it's not okay, but we just have to learn from making mistakes like most people do. But anyway, enjoy the video. Okay, enjoy Jax playing some Steel Titans.
Go, 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 go.
Still playing. You know what it is? I think do a different truck.
No, let me keep it.
Yeah, but then we have the music all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you do a different truck. You want to hear the music. And if you are into monster trucks and you are into racing and RCs and quads and go-karts, what else do we do? That's awesome. I think because of the area you're in, that's the El Toro local area. That's why it makes that sound.
Wait, what?
That's the reason.
Wait, I'm gonna check if there's a Gravedigger area.
Oh yeah, there definitely is. It is. Don't you remember with all the pumpkins in the scary place?
Well, that's in the second one.
That's 2?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I want to check if there's
Northern Nightmare.
Yeah, Northern Nightmare.
So anyone that is into mod trucks, I'll just tell you a couple things, and then I'm gonna have to go make some good
this truck
food.
is good.
So today we heard that Adam Anderson got hurt. Adam Anderson hurt his arm or something like that.
Yeah,
Last week.
Gravedigger.
Right, Gravedigger. He drives Gravedigger. So,
So if you're a fan of Gravedigger, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm a fan of Gravedigger.
And this week we also lost XDP, the driver of XDP, Dave.
Yeah, he died.
Let me see what his name is. I never pronounced his name.
He literally died, guys. Literally died. I'm trying to say, but he died. So guys, let me show you something. It's like all the way somewhere. Like somewhere far. I think I'm gonna float the motor. Somewhere over
Alright, so I don't know his name. I'm not going to go off, look on media and see what his name is. But just remember Diesel Dave, the original Diesel Dave. So I know there's the Diesel Dave from Diesel Boys. No, Diesel Brothers, I'm sorry. But Diesel Dave XDP was one of the first diesel powered monster trucks to do a backflip. And also, he was the first Diesel Dave. I mean, whatever, you want to call it, say whatever to say. I'm not taking anything away from anybody, but he passed on this past week, I think on Wednesday. So, you know, our prayers go out to his family, and you know, that's sad. And there's another guy that just got killed by a mistake that a truck was backing up, and he was, I think, one of the crew chiefs or someone's for instigator. I forget his name. I don't know if it was Danny. I think it was Danny Gruber or something like that. But I'll find the exact names out. But again, yeah, you know, it's very sad to, you know, very sad when anybody dies. But you know, in the monster truck world, when things happen, that's our, you know, that's our thing. So, you know.
Yeah, and a lot of trucks are like dying.
Well, not a lot of them, Jack. Just these guys did. Yeah. Finish your burger.
And now what about my drink?
I got it, buddy. Look, there's our Monster Water. See, we put our stuff, our logos on our stuff. Right now, I'm just rocking Bigfoot, right? Crushing it. But this year, we're making our own Monster Truck shirts, and we're making our Monster Core haunting shirts, because we also are big time into Halloween haunting. So, all right, enjoy Jack's playing some Steel Titans. I'll see you guys and talk to you soon.
So close to saving. Yeah. What is this? Oh, backward on the gates! Dang.
Make sure Jack's got to tell him what to do. Like and what?
Like and subscribe.
Oh, definitely.
Dang it, I'm stuck. Just get it out. Backwards.
Wait, like and subscribe and hit that what now?
Notification bell.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I got out.
What a save, man. Are you the Coop and Dragon or?
Oh, as one of those wings came off. Dang. can try getting up with this. Oh, too far. So I'm gonna do that. And this is the steep part. Oh, that's so steep. Too steep.
So you're just driving in you're doing like a, what is it called, free run?
Yeah.
Joyride or something?
Now let's do rides.
But you're also looking for the triangles, right? Because you have to do the triangles.
Those triangles are just for like 15 meters. Yes!
Well, if you get the triangles, then you get more trucks. So you need the triangles.
Get up, get up.
They climb the wall.
Yeah, try to climb.
That's a big climb right there, man. Like a hill climb.
No, dang it. Oh, I can just like, that's easy. I can just like rock climb this wall. Now the third, oh yes! Come on. Whee! Diesel Dave, sorry about this. Sorry.
Smell it too, huh?
Go, 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 go. Go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, almost got it. Aw. Dang it. Dang it. Sorry, guys. Wheel door stick. Oh, dang it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it's good. It's time. Dang it. Backflip.
Drake the ice?
No, look, watch.
Who was the ice? Oh, that's Dragon Ice. Nice. And who is Dragon? Whose favorite truck is Dragon?
Maddie.
Maddie, right?
Oh no. No.
Maybe we'll see Maddie for John's birthday. That'd be really cool, right?
One time we saw Maddie at John and Wally's house, remember?
No, Christmas.
No.
Maddie likes Ruster.
What?
Maddie has Ruster.
Yeah. Wait, Ruster?
Yeah, Ruster.
Or Rustler?
Right, Ruster.
And John, my brother has that Dominic.
Yeah, does he drive it?
No, not anymore. Dad, I gotta tell you one thing.
What?
Remember that?
Your other brother. Because you got two brothers.
Yeah, and Dad.
What?
Do you remember when I saw you?
What?
When we were playing with RCs, you remember, right?
What, when you were here or when you were watching?
When we were playing with when I was playing when me and Jonathan and me and Dominic were playing with RCs, remember?
Oh, a long time ago.
Yeah. When I was
That was a
4.
big day.
Yeah, when I was 4.
I think before.
I think I was 5.
No, definitely not 5. Maybe like 3 or 4.
Yeah, it could be. No, I remember. I was 4.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah.
Okay, you're 4.
I wish you made a video about that.
I did. It got lost.
The video got deleted.
Yeah, it got ruined. That lost on whatchamacallit.
What?
It got lost on YouTube. We got the channel. The channel was taken away.
That's sad.
Because of copywriting. Not taken away. It was suspended. I'm actually trying to get that channel back. I don't know how I can do it.
Which channel was it?
Or Monster Truck.
Hardcore Monster Truck?
That was the first one we did.
Yeah! I miss Hardcore Monster Truck.
We still have it. I mean, we don't have it, but we have to see if we can get it back.
If we can get it back then, you know, right?
That'd be awesome. We can see some unbelievable videos when you guys were babies.
Yeah, we can see some videos when I was a baby.
You're good. You're good. What do you want?
What? What did you say?
I'm giving Bo the tuna cans. He wants more. I'm like, I can't have any more, dude. Too much.
More of chewy cans?
Tuna.
Tuna?
Bumblebee tuna. Now it's actually Starkist. Starkist tuna.
It's very good for cats.
They like fish.
Oh yeah,
I don't
cats
give
like
Bo
fish.
fish.
Cats like fish.
Right. And I don't give Bo anything except for regular cow because he's on a strict diet. He's used to it all these years, but so yeah, I mean tuna, so I'm giving him some.
Dad, you remember my friend? You remember that friend
Oh,
from you know, you will have to remember. The guy, the kid from
Tell hard?
yeah.
I don't remember his name though.
Yeah, but you remember him.
You had fun with that kid, right?
What?
You had fun with that kid.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm okay. I'm just missing.
You miss him?
I wish we gave him my videos. Yes. What?
Watch me walk.
No. Dad,
Yes, yes.
look.
Oh my god, it's like Tom has destroyed it.
This is so weird.
Tom Mintz got hurt about a month ago. Or 2 weeks ago.
There we go.
2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Which wasn't good.
Why does it smell like tuna?
You're making tuna.
Oh,
You want to have some?
no, okay.
Did you eat your burgers?
No, not yet.
Alright, then you gotta finish them. Otherwise, no chips and dip. See how this video's going, if it's still going on. Oh, it's still going, dude. So you see Jack's playing. A lot of monster trucks, man.
Yeah.
But they keep making new ones, so what are you gonna do? You gotta keep getting them. That's what Jax likes. Whenever he comes back here, it's like party time. See if I can put this thing good again. And muss it up. Sorry guys, still watching.
On.
Alright, you figure it out.
Yes.
Let me see. Can I pick the truck?
What?
Let me pick the truck. Go down. Oh, you want me to do it? I'll do it. I want to see what truck to pick. I'm not gonna play though. I'm gonna finish making the food. Ooh, Max D Fire is awesome. Oh, I got one. Bango. You can power him up a little bit, no? There you go. What's this guy's name? Already he crashed. I'm gonna do one move.
Okay.
So I can power out of this little sidewall.
Yeah.
Little bicycle.